Wow. John, we love you. John, keep killing it. Keep leading this community. That's what I'm fucking talking about. John, we are pumped. We are ready to go. This community loves you. We got your back. Safemoon team, big shout out to y'all. Safemoon community, big shout out to you guys. We are absolutely killing it. Ledger will not stop this community. Ledger will not disrespect this community. This community will not be disrespected by nobody. Nobody. 2.5 months, 2.2 million. 2.2 million holders. Guys, that is unheard of. That is insane. And it's all because of you guys. You guys have been pushing Safemoon so hard. I am so pumped to be a part of this community. I am proud to be a part of this community. I will not allow anyone to talk down on this community. This community deserves great things. This community deserves it. Yo, guys, Safemoon wallet is going to be huge. If you did not watch the AMA, I feel sorry for you. But you can go on Twitch and re-watch the AMA. It was absolutely huge, just like I said it would be. Man, I am so pumped. Ledger, you will not stop us. This community will keep pushing forward. I love you guys. Safemoon to the fucking moon.